System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help businesses automate marketing tasks, manage sales funnels, and grow their online presence. Here's how to use System.io for beginners. Sign up and log in. Visit System.io and create an account. After logging in, you will access the dashboard, where you can start creating your funnels, emails, and products. Create a sales funnel. From the dashboard, click Funnels, then Create New Funnel. Select your funnel goal and choose a template. Customize your funnel by adding pages, such as landing pages, checkout pages, and thank you pages. Set up automation. Go to the automation section to create workflows. Automate actions like email follow-ups, tagging contacts, or sending notifications based on user behavior. Create products and sales pages. If selling digital products, go to Products and add a new product. Set up the product details and pricing, then link it to your funnel's checkout page. Send marketing emails. In the email section, create and send newsletters, promotional emails, and autoresponder sequences to your leads and customers. Track results. Use the built-in analytics to monitor your funnel's performance, email open rates, conversions, and more.